And so this is a basket popcorn popper, or it might be called vintage popcorn popper. And got a lid that slides on like this. Some of them slide on the opposite way. It doesn't really matter. Some of them have detachable handles. I got this in the thrift store for $1. And you can make popcorn in it. So what I did is I put a tablespoon of avocado oil. And here's the avocado oil. The reason avocado oil is because it smokes at a higher temperature than vegetable oil. You don't want to use olive oil because that smokes at a lower temperature. So we're gonna heat up the oil first and then throw in the popcorn. It's best to have all your stuff ready. So I've got a 1/4 cup of popcorn. I've got my favorite Urban Accents cheesy white cheddar stuff. Butter ready to go on top, and a glass bowl. I highly recommend a glass bowl and then a little spoon or something. And something big, glass, metal, just not plastic. And then your coals are hot. So you can make this over a campfire, and you can also make it in the fireplace, but these are super hot coals. This is oak. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat up the stuff. So I've got a leather glove on here because it's hot right here. If I hold my hand next to the fire here, it's gonna be really, really hot. So when I wear a glove or an oven mitt or something, the main thing is you don't wanna touch the coals. You don't wanna touch the coals. You don't want your popcorn to be in the flame. Actually, I'm gonna do a little something here. We're gonna timer once we heat the oil. So I just wanna heat the oil a little bit more. And we'll see how long it actually takes to pop the popcorn. It is hot right here. This is oak. All right, I'm gonna throw in my 1/4 cup of popcorn. And look at that stuff is smoking. That means that's about 500 degrees, that oil. And all I'm gonna do is shake it. Hey, you. Keep it moving over the heat. "30 seconds. It's a workout too. That's 1 minute. From the time putting the popcorn in there, that's 1 minute, 55 seconds. My suggestion is after you move it off the flame, keep shaking it because your tin is super hot. So I'm gonna quickly make this, and voila, look at that beautiful popcorn. And it is not burned, it's gorgeous. And we're gonna throw on the butter. Voila, yeah, yeah, yeah. And some of this favorite stuff. Hey, somebody give it a taste. Mmm, yum. Good popcorn. That's how you do it.